Good morning, guys. It's Amy and the Redox team here at our headquarters at Burley, Idaho, and we want to invite you to our second annual field day, Tuesday, July 22nd at our XPRT Farm in Missouri Valley, Iowa. We're going to be highlighting our technology that we're using here at Redox, as well as the partners that we work with. So we've got partners like Total Acre and Crop Diagnostics. And,
like drones, about some drones. I think from a tech standpoint, Jones, you know all about this. If we can get people to give information out, we can digest that information, learn a little bit. You say Southwest Iowa, it's close. If you take a 2.5, 3 hour radius, if you get a free moment, come down for a half day, have lunch on us, learn a little bit about some of the tech stuff.
Yeah, it's going to be a good time. Come learn about what's out there. Maybe something you learn about at this field day can help you for the future planning, right? And make better decisions and have some awareness about what's out there.
It's not all about Redox, Amy, but there is a lot of Redox intel tech that we're going to share.
And some VIPs, right?
VIPs like John Kelly.
We're looking forward to it. Hope you can make it.